over in everybody just wants like the quick, fast way. Just take medicine, but in the long run, chiropractic care is probably better for you.
I feel like I'm doing something that's gonna help out. It's kind of slow. I've only been doing it for about a month, but I definitely feel better now.
Very patient in answering my questions and providing any kind of documentation I wanted to see as far as the history of chiropractic. We took x-rays and he spent a lot of time going over them with me, showing me exactly what my treatment was intended to do.
I came here for headaches. My headaches are gone.
And I know people take, a lot of people take drugs for that kind of thing because it is painful. But I don't like to do that. So, yeah, I knew it was going to be a slow process, but little by little the arm pain stopped.
I'm able to sleep without any pain now on both sides of my body as well, my back. I don't have to sleep with an ice pack anymore, which I had to do some nights I would have to go to bed with the ice pack on my back.
Oh, much better. I have not felt the stiffness in a long, long time, you know, since he's been working on me, so that's really nice.
To the point where I was having trouble falling asleep, and if I did get to sleep, I didn't stay asleep, and then when I tried to get up in the morning, it was difficult just getting out of bed, and it was very painful. And just with the activities of daily living, you know, trying to do laundry, driving the car, I lost some range of motion in my head when I tried to drive, and it was difficult to try and turn, to see traffic and so forth. So it all became very difficult to live with, and I was very frustrated with it all. And I was doing, you know, the pain medications, the over-the-counter stuff, and trying to relieve the pain and to help me sleep at night. And then when I heard that he was in the area, and we tried with him and did the exam and the consult, and everything started off really well, and it just went better since then. I mean, I felt relief immediately after the first treatment. I mean, not completely, but it did ease up some, and since then it's just been progressively getting better and better.
I do have arthritis, and my back and my hips were hurting me. Since I've been coming here, I'm really in top shape.
I just kind of grin and bear it, except that I wasn't grinning too much sometimes. I would just not want to do anything. I want to talk to people. I would put cold compresses on, just try to get anybody I could, just could you rub my back right here and, you know, push on it. So, and they were all temporary if anything did help, but now I don't have pain anymore, so.
I feel a lot better. I know I'm not fully recovered, but I can definitely see that there's been a huge improvement. I've seen it in the x-rays and I can feel it.
I'm hoping that I can get the pain levels down to, if I can't run, that if I can just be physically active on a daily basis without ever having to think about what am I going to do and is it going to hurt my back. I very much see adjustments being a part of my everyday life throughout my whole life. You know, different stages, different things come up. You know, you have kids, your spine starts to change. You know, you get older, you've got to, you know, like maintenance, like your car, tuning up. So I see that. So, yeah.
Well, Dr. Matt got me up to a point where the pain was negligible.
He's going to enable me to continue to do the things I do today. I want to be golfing when I'm 70.